Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on and off Find My Mac on your MacBook. Let's get started. So if you want to turn on Find My Mac on your MacBook, here's what you need to do. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also press the bell icon for more videos on Mac and other tips. So what you have to do first is just click on the Apple icon and go to System Settings. When you go to System Settings, you will see Apple ID at the top. Click on it. Now, from the left options, click on iCloud. Before that, to check whether Find My Mac is turned on or off, go to the bottom where you will see your MacBook and click on it. Here you can see if Find My Mac is turned on. To turn it off or on, click on iCloud, and you will find some applications here. Scroll down a little and you will see the Find My Mac option. Click on Options. As you can see, mine is turned on. To turn it off, just click on Turn Off and enter your Apple ID password. After that, you will see Find My Mac is turned off. Again, to turn it on, click on Turn On. A pop-up will appear. Click on Allow, and done. Your Find My Mac is now on. So that's how you can turn on and off Find My Mac on your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.